Hey guys, Fishy here, and it seems like I'm always running behind the fakers. I'm always catching what they're doing after they're doing it, obviously. But part of that is that they switch and they make new pages and they use new profiles all the time. So I'm always on the watch for these guys and the sites they're sharing. Maria here is sharing this. Michelle just emerged from nowhere with horrific new look that wasn't all she was hiding. Okay, I don't even want to know. All I need to see here is that it's a viral USA politics site page. And when I look at my tracker, I've got 2 profiles already that have been taken down that have shared that same content. So Maria went into the list. And this is Maria's profile. It's maybe a cursory glance would show that it was a Trump supporter or appeared to be a Trump supporter. Here's photos, Fox News video, and a photo, and just content like this. There's really nothing personal on this wall, though, and that is a red flag. Usually you would see a personal exchange or comment. This is just a bunch of Fox News links. Here's August 7th, August 7th, August 11th, August 11th, August 15th. So somebody's trying to put together a wall that looks like it's been created by someone who supports Trump. Here's a picture, it's just stuff like that. And that's pretty much it. When I go look at the photos commented on, however, and you knew I would, this is what we see. These are the photos that are commented on by Maria's profile. All of these guys, they're pretty fascinating. And then when I get to this one right here, I already opened it up here and found where Maria commented and said nice, and Syed says Ahmed Qureshi, and it's Maria Saunders. What a coincidence. It's insane. But I will tell you that, again, these guys pushing this content are determined. It's profitable for them. They are probably making a lot of money compared to anything else they could be doing in that area. It's still wrong. It's still wrong. This sort of thing, how is this not interfering in American politics? How is Facebook allowing this stuff to be pushed from overseas at Americans dishonestly? If they were really interested in entering the conversation, could they not do it as Ahmed Qureshi or any of the other fake names that I've seen? Why would they do it under the name of somebody like Maria Saunders? Because they're trying to trick Americans. There's no way that what they're doing is honest, and it shouldn't be rewarded. So, share this video. Help us pressure Facebook into doing something about it.